Hello guys, I'm at Pacos in Kivatu actually, and finally I saw the Pacos food processing hot air dryer, solar. Okay, there's 2 units and this is how it works. Let's come closer to this one. Air is sucked from the bottom there. Here there's pipes there, and these pipes are really black and it absorbs heat from the strong sun. The air can be very hot. It gets sucked up there, actually not by convection but by a fan, and inside the chamber the food that you want to dry will be inside, and the air is moved out by this slow moving air suction fan here, which is normally you find on the roof to pull hot air out, but here they use it to move the air, to ensure that the hot air from the heater near the side moves up. So what is it? Okay, here. It sucks it from the bottom of that air dryer. So I wonder whether I can, yeah, we can open what's inside the chamber. Yes. Yes, and here are the food being dried. Let me see. Oh, it's quite hot inside here. Very hot inside here. So now they are drying. Nice smell. And they are drying all the vegetable and all the spices in here. So it's a solar air dryer. It's very hot, and all the heating from the sun is from that black PVC pipe. It absorbs the sun's ray. Even now when the sun is not hot, but it's hot, and it pulls the air through this chamber and dries it up. So beautiful, and you don't need energy. It needs energy from the sun. How about that, guys? Yeah. Now I close back the chamber. They're drying all the foods and gingers, everything to be turned into powder. Smells nice. How innovative can our senator be? Very good. Ooh, I love you guys. I love you. That's all, folks. The second unit seems to use electric power for the fan. Yes, it has there's a power cord there. But the hot heating is also done through this solar heater. So I think the air is drawn from the heating panel into the chamber, and that's what they call it, a smart solar dryer. So this is how you save a lot of energy. Now the sun's come out, it's very hot, so you can dry things direct in the sun, but in this one, even in the rain also, it will continue drying. And of course the temperature will be higher than the direct sun because it's concentrated in the solar collecting panel, solar heat collector. It's dark as you would expect it. Oh, so beautiful are these guys who knows how to do things. And it's on top of the roof, and down below this building is where they prepare all the product for the market. It's a small factory building using the solar power. Now the sun's come out. Ooh, it's very hot. Yes, and the fella is still rotating with a small wind. Beautiful.